Hello friends, let's enter exercise 9.3. Question number 1. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at center. So here a circle with center O I have taken. So I have considered AB as the chord of the circle. So they have given the radius as 10 centimeters. So this OA and OB is radius. So write it as here 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Okay, here they told that the angle formed when you consider this OAPB is entirely a sector. So they told that the angle formed at the center is 90 degrees. It means that in the triangle OAB, the angle formed at O is 90 degrees they have given. So find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. So when you see here, this AB, the lower part of the APB is called the minor segment. So when you consider the point Q here, then this AQB is called the major segment. Clear? So now based on the information given, let's write whatever was given. Okay, solution. What did they give? Given radius or equals to how much did they give? 10 centimeters. Radius they have given and angle AOB equals to 90 degrees. Okay. So how can you find this area of segment? As I told you in the previous video, formula derivation video, that area of the segment APB equals to, write the same thing here, write the formula whatever we have derived before. Area of segment APB. Now we are going to find out this minor segment. Okay, area of the segment in brackets, right? Minor. Okay, area of segment minor segment equals to, what is the formula? Area of sector. What is the area of the sector formula? X decreased by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. This is the formula, correct? So here they have given the angle as 90 degrees. Okay, in brackets put x for this. So what can we write here? 90 by 360 into, so pi they have told us to use the value it as 3.14. So I am putting the same thing, 3.14 into r square. What is radius here? 10 square I am writing. Okay. See, when you consider here, I am drawing the triangle for you. For any right angle triangle, see here 90 degrees is formed. Let this be O. Here it is A. Here it is B. Okay. OA is 12 centimeter. Sorry, OA is 10 centimeters and OB is also 10 centimeters. So when you see here, this is the base and this is the height. So we can apply the general formula 1 by 2 into base into height. We can apply that formula for this. Clear? We can apply that formula. Clear? Since 90 degrees means base and height. So 1 by 2 into base into altitude. It's nothing but height. We can apply that formula. In case they would have given some different angles, that would be different case to solve the area of triangle. Clear? So here 91s are 94s, I can take it directly. So here what will I take? 3.14 by 4 into 10 square minus 1 by 2 into, what is base? Base is OA and height is OB. So both are same. Radius, right? 10 into 10 I am writing. Since radius into radius is same, no? So in the next step what will I do? 3.14 by 4 into 10 square minus 1 by 2 into 10 square. So in the next step what will I do? I will take 10 square common. Okay. 10 square into 3.14 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are, sorry, 2 5s are it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are. So in the next step what does it come? 100 into 1.57 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 100 into 0.57 by 2. So 2 1s are 0.2, 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, zeros are. That becomes how much? 28.5. What is this we have found out? Minor segment. Area of the minor segment. This APB minor segment, we have found out that area as 28.5 square centimeters. Since here the units is in centimeters, so the area will be 28.5 square centimeters. So in the same way, they asked us to find here, you can see, first sub question is minor segment. This we have solved. In the same way, how to find the major segment means, see here, we have to find out this AQB. So what will I do here? You please see. This major segment is nothing but the total area of circle minus this, correct? They want this whole thing. This major segment means they want this AQB. This entire thing they want, including the triangle value. It means how can we find out? It's nothing but it's simple logic. Total circle minus minor segment, you will get obviously the major segment. Okay, see, I am writing here for explanation. Area of circle minus area of segment APB. See here, for this you will get AQB, you will get it right. AQB is nothing but, this is nothing but total area minus area of minor segment. Clear? So that is nothing but the major segment area. Okay, let's write the same thing here. Second sub question. Area of major segment equals to, area of major segment equals to area of circle minus, plus, sorry, it is minus, area of circle minus area of segment APB. What is area of circle? How can we write it as? It is pi r square, right? That is equals to pi r square minus, what is the area of segment of APB? We got it here. It is 28.5, correct? It is 28.5. So here pi r square means what? 3.14 is pi. So what is r square? It is 10 square. Radius is 10, right? So minus 28.5. So how much does it become? So 3.14 into 100 minus 28.5, that is equals to, so point will move 2 digits forward. So 314 minus 28.5. So let's see, 314.00 minus 28.50. 0, it is 5, 10 minus 5, 5, 13 minus 8 also it is 5. So 10 minus 2 it is 8, 2. See here, this is rough work I have written. So the answer will be area of major segment. What is that? It is AQB. AQB equals to 285.5 square centimeters. So this is the solution. Clear? See here, the solution is so simple. So first thing is you have to find the area of the minor segment using the area of segment formula. Okay. After that, the calculation is simple. After that, you will get here area of the minor segment. So major segment is nothing but total area of circle minus area of minor segment. You will get obviously area of major segment. So this is the solution. So very simple. We please go through. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Okay. Thank you so much.